Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to change video quality to screen recorder in your OnePlus Nord 2 5G. Firstly, open your top bar and find screen recorder button, this one. If you don't have this button, click to pencil and drag and hold, for example like this, and drag and hold and place this button here. Okay, for saving, click back. And now we got screen recorder button in top bar, so click. Now we need to press and hold, and will be open settings for screen recorder. And first option in the list, it will be video resolution, and for saving need to choose, for example, this one, and it saves automatically. Then we got bitrate and number of frames. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.